The job we're on today is for Foxwood Townhomes. The project is total remove and replace of all the existing asphalt. The scope of work is 4-inch asphalt remove and replace, and we're on to the next phase, the next job. They come to a job site, they know what their job is, the foreman knows what he's got to do, every laborer, every operator knows their task for the day, and they work as a unit. They're a really tight group of guys. Each guy does his job, and they do a really good job at it.